Hi friends, welcome back. Come along for a regular workday with me as I run my small business. I've got orders to pack, thrifting to get done, and I'll show you guys what's been selling for me lately. Get comfy and let's spend the day together. Does everybody else sit in their car for a few extra minutes because the heated seat just feels so good? Oh my gosh. I went to bed with my hair wet, and this is what it looks like when I don't blow dry it straight. It has so much curl to it. I just can't believe how curly my hair is sometimes. I kind of like the wave though sometimes. It's cute. I have a confession to make. I am so behind on shipping. I have people messaging me, when is this being shipped? You know, I've got the whole, I am so behind. I'm the worst. I'm the worst reseller ever. It's okay. We're going to get everything out today and everybody's going to be happy. I just made a sale like 10 seconds ago and I'm selling my very first coat of the year. It was an LL Bean down puffer coat. How exciting is this? Is fall coming? Fall's a coming, guys. There's a Manhattan, Kansas. Somebody got their package shipped to Manhattan, Kansas. I didn't know there was a Manhattan in Kansas. All right, let's pull some orders. One of the things I'm pulling is this Alambika oversized lag and look tunic top. I thought this was cool with that oversized pocket on the side, so I picked it up at a regular thrift store. This item also sold. This was a custom made sports jacket that my uncle gifted to me. He owns a tailoring shop in Washington, D.C. And I think I priced these a little too low. So whoever bought this got a really good deal. Okay, I sold a dress, this one, I think this is it, yeah. This is an Anthropologie dress. It's really cute. It has like this corset, it's a midi, kind of like a bodycon dress. It sold for like $100. And then this red leather jacket sold. This is so adorable. How perfect is this for fall? It's kind of has that alligator type embossed leather. It's so cute. And another leather jacket sold. This Ralph Lauren like 90s Y2K leather jacket sold. Again, this is so cute and perfect for fall. The leather jackets are going right now. Okay, this next item was a pretty cool sale. This is a solar top. I've never heard of it or picked this up before, but I found it in the thrift store. It was giving boho vibes. It sold for $76. I couldn't believe it. And then I also shipped out this J. Crew factory blazer, like sweater blazer. I picked it up because it was a size 2X. It was in great condition and very substantial piece. And then I also shipped out these Nike Golf standard fit, just, you know, a bread and butter piece. I got this from the bins. This item sold very quickly, about a week or two after I listed it. I loved the beading around the collar, and just like the print was kind of giving like muted color schemes, so I just thought it was really pretty. I was at a wedding last weekend and I wore this beautiful Anthropologie dress. I actually went to the store and paid full price for this, knowing that it would sell very quickly and I could recoup a lot of my money back. So I literally wore this Saturday and it sold on Tuesday, I think. I paid $300 at the Anthropologie store for it, which is insane. I would never do that if I didn't resell. And then it sold a few days later for $208. So, you know, I probably paid $100 then for the dress, a little over $100, I would say, which is worth it because it's fun to wear pretty dresses. Okay, I went to the Goodwill yesterday, just the regular Goodwill, not the bins, and I bought a few things, so I'm gonna quickly share what I got with you guys. The first item were these Maeve by Anthropologie, the Colette. These are really, really popular, the Colette style is, so that's why I picked these up. They were only $6, so definitely think I can make a profit off of these. They're in excellent condition. Okay, I never pick up Lulus at the regular Goodwill stores, but this was a newer style. It kind of has this like where this sleeve is like a flutter and then there's this, so it's kind of like asymmetrical. This was a size large. It's very like, I feel like the colors are fall vibes with like this hunter green and then this floral. And then it was also a size large. So new with tag, size large, really trendy style, very substantial piece. And it was only $7.45. I mean, if I sell this for $35, I'll be super happy with that. And then I got this blouse. This is the newer J. Crew label, and this was just an excellent condition, very crispy blouse. I paid $6 for it. This isn't very exciting, but kind of bread and butter. If this sells for like $28, I'll be happy. And then I ended up getting this Azazi bridesmaid dress. This style, again, this style I feel like is just super on trend. It kind of has this corset, like boning in here, and then all of this pleating and a slit. The color is really pretty. The size was a size 12. So these are all really good factors for this dress. It's in excellent condition, and I paid $7.45 for this item. So, you know, with that price point, I feel like this is definitely a good pickup. If I sell this for like $50, I'll be happy with that. And then I got another dress. This is Adriana Papel. And again, this is just very substantial, a very recognizable, good brand, excellent condition. This is a size 6. And again, I paid $7.45 for this item. So I felt like that was a really good pickup. And then this was my first time finding this brand. I don't know if I came across it, and it's like the label's very unassuming, so maybe I didn't pay too much attention, but somebody was talking about it recently in their YouTube video. It's citron, I don't know. But it's this really pretty blouse. I'm gonna try it out because like I said, I've never found this or sold it before. And then last but not least, I just found this Honey Love top. It's a size extra large, which is really good. Excellent condition, and I only paid $4.50 for this. Honey Love sells very easy. Oh no. It's kind of has a stain. Oh, that stinks. Kind of has like some bleeding, so I'll definitely have to talk about that, and I'll have to lower the price for sure. Oh, that stinks. Maybe I'll try washing it. I guess I'll throw it in the wash and see if it comes out a little bit. That stinks. But yeah, now I need to get dressed because I'm gonna go to the gym to meet my personal trainer. This will be my 3rd session, learning a lot, and it's going well. And then after that, I'm gonna drop off my packages at the USPS. Really good. I'm really proud of myself. I'm feeling really like energetic and strong right now. I love that. I just got to the post office, so I'm gonna drop off my packages. Okay, I was right next to a Goodwill, so I'm gonna stop in real quick. Okay, I found this Boston Proper. I think this is the newer label. And it's new with tag for $6. Perfect for the fall and the winter. I'm gonna get this. Okay, look how cute this graphic t-shirt is. It's single stitch. That's cute. I might keep this for myself actually. How much is it? It's $4.50. I'm gonna get that for myself. This is what this part says. Okay, this is very unassuming. It's Miss Sook. It's not Miss Look, not to get confused with that one. But this embroidered dress, I think I'm gonna get it. It's in great condition. $6.50. Okay, I found this Natural Life like patchwork mini dress. I think I'm gonna pass on it just because it's not very substantial. If it was maxi, I would get it, but yeah, I'm gonna pass. I went through the coats because fall is a-comin'. Couldn't find anything. Okay, I ended up getting 2 things. I put that black graphic t-shirt back because I didn't need it and I wasn't like so crazy about it. So, I mean, I have so much stuff. I do not need another t-shirt. So I put it back. But I got the Miss Sook dress and then the Boston Proper sweater. So, sweater vest. So that was good. I mean, it was whatever. It wasn't crazy. My dad wants me to go to trivia, like some kind of music trivia. He's got a group of people going and he wants me to go. So I need to rush home, do my makeup, get something cute on, take the Uber over. Oh my gosh. It starts at 7 and it's 6:20. So I'm gonna be a little bit late probably, but we can rush and we can get it done.